Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio update. It's been a little bit since I've done an update and there has been a couple of changes to the portfolio and I will note those when we go through it. But before we do start, I just want to thank everybody who's been following along the channel. If you aren't following along, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Subscribing is free, like I always say. I'm trying to grow my Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio up to $100,000. We started actually almost 2 years ago. So the channel's been going for a while. It's growing slowly but steady, much like the portfolio. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. All right, here we are in the TFSA, and as you can see, Friday we had a decent day on the market, which was nice. Nice to see a little bit of green in the new year for starting 2023. Let's hope it continues. Not too sure on that one, but we'll see how things go. It was nice to have a Friday. Anyways, changes on the portfolio. I guess a couple of things. If you've been following along, as you know, here we'll go in here. There was the split from Brookfield Asset Management into Brookfield Asset Management and Brookfield Corp. Now I have decided, I had that deposit at the beginning of this month on January. The deposit was $33 and just about $33.06, but I wasn't sure what to invest in, so I actually split it in half and put it between a fractional share purchase of BAM and BN. Now going forward, after watching Candace's video over on Mountain Finance, Candace, thank you so much for posting that video, very helpful. I will be putting it next month, it's the StreamYard Money Saving Challenge deposit into BAM, so keep an eye out for that one. Let's just go through, we'll show the total value and then we'll show how the portfolio has been formed over the last week, month, and year, of course. Brookfield Asset Management, we're down just a little bit, 1.72%. This one we'll keep adding to going forward each month with a deposit equal to $25 US. That was part of that money saving challenge that I have on my channel. You can check that video out. BEP.UN, 18 shares, down 21.16%. BN, that was that spinoff. This is the original company that stayed as it got renamed BN. This one I'm just going to be holding as is for now. We are down 4.83%. BTC.Y down 34.37% on our 177 shares. Getting our good dividends on that one though, and this again long-term hold. I'll be rolling those dividends back into BTC.Y, Bitcoin Yield ETF. CMC, this is my live and learn one, as you know. Following thing down 93.54%. Nothing to do on there. Value $12. Not going to be selling this. Not really worth selling or doing anything with that. We're going to let it hold as a reminder. Diversified Royalty Corp. This one's doing okay. Actually happy with this one. This is the one the channel suggested that I do purchase for the 100th update of the portfolio. I bought 100 shares and up 3.34%, so happy about that. And the first dividend came through, which I didn't put back into div. I put into the S&P as a fractional purchase. And ETC, that's the Evolve Cryptocurrency ETF, Bitcoin and Ethereum. This one does not pay a dividend, so I've been focusing more on the Bitcoin Yield ETF for the time being. This one down 67.92%, so down substantially, but I think in the long term this will go up. I still will add to this position, just not right now. Greenlane Renewables down 58.26%, and PSA, this is a new one. So each week, if you haven't been following along, each week I'm putting $100 into the TFSA. I am buying $50 of PSA, and PSA is the Purpose High Interest Savings ETF. The yield it's paying right now is 4.59% at the time of this recording. So just a cash account basically to get some basically monthly dividends coming in from that. And I will put $50 a week into that. The goal is to do a $100 deposit for the entire year. So sitting right now, 1.996 shares right now, fractional share. REI.UN, 26.226 shares. The fractional shares always do throw me off. Up 3.28%. Happy about that. It's nice to see some green in the portfolio, that's for sure. RNW, this one, the outlook not looking so great for 2023. We'll see how this goes. Recovers 55 shares, down 33.16%. They have not changed their dividend yet, so I'm going to hold this one out, hold it for a while, see what happens. Solar Alliance Energy down 53.13%, but again, not a huge amount in there. Just kind of a fun one to play with, see what happens. SOT.UN, that's a Slate office REIT, 128 shares, down 9.45%. This one I think will come back eventually. The dividends have not changed, so I'll still keep slowly building into this one as well. 128 shares. Telus down 4.02%, just over 20 shares, 20.259 with that fractional shares. When the next dividend comes in, I will be putting that back into Telus and also adding to the position slowly but surely. Tesla not doing great, but again, these are the CDRs, not a ton in there right now. I still will add to this. I think long term, this one will be some good appreciation. Hopefully, we'd have 21 shares of the CDR down 37.52%. Now, the couple of changes changes, VDY. This is the one of part of that $100 that I do put into the account. I am buying 1 share of VDY every Monday, and we're up to 72.292 shares, which is awesome. Also rolling in the dividends as they come in as a fractional purchase as well. So this one is the one I'm focusing on this year for 2023 with those deposits. And we're up 1.92%, $56.98, which is nice. It's nice to see green and a little bit of green in the portfolio of red. VFV, now with after the $100 deposit and buying a share of VFV plus $50 in the PSA, I am putting the remaining into VFV as a fractional purchase. So right now, 34.62 shares, down 4.77%. If there's any extra dividends that I'm not able to put into buying a full share, some of those I'm not able to right now, I will put them into the fractional purchase of VFE as I get them to keep those reinvested. Let's scroll right to the top. We'll see how we're doing. So we ended the week pretty good. As the past day, up 1.28%, $144.60. On the last week, up 0.47%. It's okay, $52.98. Now we're gonna see a little bit of red here, obviously down the past month, 3.44%, $406.72. Past 3 months, down 2.55%, $298.55. Down 1 year, here we go, down 16.44%. We're gaining this back slowly, $2,000, $2,246.49, and then all times we have been going over a year, down 17.95%, $24.98.98. Dude, let me know down in the comments below, did you buy anything this week? Did you sell anything this week? How's your portfolios doing? It's always interesting to hear how others are doing. And on that note, and speaking of others, it is great to have everybody that's been joining on in the live streams. We do the live streams Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock Pacific time to about 8:45, 9 o'clock. It'd be great to have you join along if you haven't joined one yet. They are a good conversation. There's some great suggestions on there, some great tips on there. I've learned a lot on the live stream, so I do appreciate everybody that has joined in. And if you haven't joined, consider joining, but you can always catch those on the replay as well if you're not able to make it in the morning. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good rest of the weekend. We'll catch you on the next live stream on Monday, and if not, in the next video. Thanks so much.